Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the Ulif E1 Heavy-Duty Closet Garment Rack, a versatile and robust solution for all your clothing storage needs. This freestanding wardrobe features 6 adjustable tiers and 4 hanger rods, providing ample space for your clothes, shoes, and accessories, while its overall dimensions of 71.2 inches in height, with a length adjustable from 69.6 to 86.6 inches, and a depth of 14 inches make it perfect for any space. The multifunctional design allows you to use the shelves for folded clothes, the rods for hanging suits and dresses, and the hooks for hats, scarves, and bags, ensuring you maximize your storage. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this garment rack is both sturdy and stable, with a painted surface that protects against water and rust, and includes an anti-tip device for added safety. Plus, the Ulif E1 is incredibly easy to assemble, requiring no tools, thanks to its simple structure and clear assembly guide. Whether you're organizing a small apartment or a spacious walk-in closet, this garment rack is built to last and designed to adapt to your needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable and expandable clothing storage solution, the Ulif E1 Heavy-Duty Closet Garment Rack is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.